Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please do subscribe and like, and also leave a comment for more interaction in this video. So right now, I'm with Rationel. We're here in Adamson University for the YCL or the Youth Conference for Life. Ayan, so today, mood setters kami. Kanina kasi, ngayon kasi sa oras na? Basta after lunch, around 1 PM. So, kanina nakapag-perform na kami ng set 1 and lalagay ko din dito yung clip nun and we're preparing na for set 2 ng performance namin and I'll keep on updating you. Bye! All our late current grade 12 student from Pila Senior High School. Ayan, yung question is, how do you lessen your stress that lead to physical, emotional, or behavior difficulties? So, para lang lahat naman tayo nakakaranas ng stress. Bawat tao iba't iba yung pinagdadaanan. But what's important is that paano ba natin nalalampasan yung stress natin or paano natin minamanage para ma-lessen. So, most of my co-students... Hi! So, update lang. Ganda. Nandito kami ngayon sa backstage. We're waiting na lang for Arthur na mag-perform para sa set 2 ng mood setting. So, ayun. Ayun yung mga co-mood setters ko. Ayun. Super daming tao ngayon.
kakatapos lang ng event and we're here sa Mang Inasal dito sa SM City, Manila. Ayun. Super tired. Pero the experience was superb. Superb! Ayun. Super saya kasi we get to meet other students from different schools. From different provinces and cities din. So, that's really nice experience. And yeah, ang saya lang na umabot tayo sa ganito. Binakla na, vlog ba? Ayan.